So we are going to open the Massdi Scania. It's a SCN 1101, and this one is a unique Fire Edition version, and it's 1:64 scale, and it's a 770S V8 model. And this is actually a Scania official licensed product. And actually, in real world, this Scania 770S Fire Edition version is 1 out of 50 kind of units, but I don't know how many units Massdi has released. And over here we are going to open it. On top we have one layer of foam, and after that and the 2 blocks of foam layers are there. We will take the truck out now. Yeah, you can actually feel the weight, and it actually can roll. The wheels are really detailed, and this is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the side, and this is how it looks from the back and from the other side. It's very well detailed vehicle. And on the top we have 3 antennas, 2 air horn, then there's a sunroof, the black plane, then the aero wing. It's totally metal roof on the top. You have lights on the top, then there are sun visors. Then on the side we have this window which are plastic, but this black portion over here is actually metal detailing, but these ones are glass and plastic on the sides. And we also have really well detailed mirrors actually. On the driver's side now you can see actually inside there is a reflective tape they have put, and on the co-driver side also they have put reflective tapes. And for the side view, top down one, you can see there is also reflective tape, and the front one there is also reflective tape. So it's highly detailed. The wipers are clean, they are flexible, and inside you have 2 seats that are very visible, and the dashboard is also very well laid out. There is no color on that, it's fully black. And when we come to the side, you can actually see the 770 badging, which is exact replica of the Fire Edition, and the footboards, handles, everything replicates exactly same as the Fire Edition. But you can see there is a slight color change. Actual Fire Edition has a gunmetal wheel, but over here that gunmetal wheel is not actually felt as it is, but it's really detailed. And over here you can see it's actually a rubber. It's not a plastic wheel, it's actually a elastic rubber wheel. On the front we have really good detailing of Scania branding, the layers, and you can also see the headlight is also extremely detailed. See the 2 layers in the headlight. Then there is a Scania badging, a V8 badging, 770S badging, fog lights, and ADAS sensor, then the number plate holder place. And as you come to the side, you can see the exhaust pipe. Then there is a step for the back portion of the truck, and at the bottom you can see that's how the engine laid out. There is a gearbox, transmission tunnel, and differential suspension system. Actual rear axle has 4 tires on it. Then there is this exhaust pipe coming to catalytic converter. It goes to the exhaust position. And in real Fire Edition we have black tanks, and that is also visible from the top, but over here you can't see the detail. But there is this behind the cabin suspension and Scania branding in the back, which is really good. Here is the 5th wheel, but it is not much detail. You can just lock whatever Massdi supplies as another low bed semi trailer. And on the back actually the details are not that good, but over here the wheels are really well detailed, and the wheel mudguard for the rear axle is in plastic, and the side of this portion is actually metal. Top is also metal, but the top plate is glued onto the main body. And on the rear we have the rear tail lights are actually kind of detailed, but not exactly as what you get in the Fire Edition of the Scania. You can also have branding like Scania over there. This is almost similar, but in this back the details are missing. They are not as good as the real truck. So yeah, this is a very well detailed Scania V8 770S Fire Edition 1:64 scale truck, and I would say it's pretty good detail for the front portions, the side, but in the back and regarding the fuel tank kind of area they could have improved the detailing. like the fuel tank could have been exposed and it could have been made as in black color. The rims could have got a bit more better gunmetal gray finish. Apart from that, I would say just on the back, wherever after the fifth wheel, that extended portion, that is also looking a bit non-proportional to the size of this truck. So they could have improved those areas. Apart from that, I would say this is a really good collectible.